These are the elevators here at the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Austin, Texas by Lakeline Mall. Mad BS Atoll. These used to have regular Signa4. These used to have regular ThyssenKrupp Traditional Fixtures, but it seems that they replaced them with Mad Atoll. I filmed here in 2018, but I never released that take because it was a cringy take, so I'm retaking these. They have regular Signa4 on the inside. Rough start. Here we are at 4. I think these are hydro. These behave like hydros. All right, let's go to 1. Door close button works. All right, let's get a cab view. That was a much smoother start, but with the way these elevators start, they do have a little bit of Dover blood in them. These are the fixtures. That's the floor indicator, and the foam is built right into the system. Here we are at 1. Oh, it says it's going up. All right. There it goes. And that is it.